not. Because I
Wow.
just saw Paul's message as in, where are you guys?
Oh, okay.
That's hi guys. Sorry about that. There was a bit of a technical thing issue on our end, but it's solved now, so we are actually back live. Sorry by the way. Apologize for that. All right. So what we are doing today is we are just implementing the the validation on all boards controllers in the backend API, which means that whenever we need to um, whenever we do a certain action, for example, get, put, post, delete, and we either have to do a validation of uh, the object. So, for example, if it's received successfully, then we need to give it a validation of that. The response if the response status is this, then do this, otherwise do something else. So
Alrighty.
that is the goal. Do you want to add anything to that, K?
No, I guess that was pretty much it. I guess so. What I figured was StreamYard pretty much bugged.
Oh,
So
right,
initially
right.
we did go live, but for some reason it ended. But it's fine. We're back live now. And as you said, if you guys missed something, we just updated the Jira board till now. We didn't actually do any of the coding, so you guys probably didn't miss out on anything. So we are just
Yeah,
starting on the get function for the board, and yeah, that's the first if statement we have written. So
that's
um
brilliant. So I'll do response and then I need to get the status. If
um
status equals 200.
with
I
uh
haven't done this before,
I,
so if you
so
have,
that's
you might want to point me if I'm doing it wrong.
what are you trying to do with this? I'm not
So
sure.
I'm trying to do that if the request has been done, then I'm putting this status 200 and then I'm doing this. If not,
Hmm.
then I'll cache the error.
Okay, so this is how APIs like kind of work. The response is sent to the where you call it, and request is the when you send it. So in the backend, when you are calling a request, you won't have a response status. You have to assign it here. You can't check it here. Response is the response by the API. You can't check it here. You have to see if the you got the board successfully. Then you have to assign the response. Like you have to set response to 200, not check here. You can't check here. It's like response has nothing in it right now.
Right. Okay. So you mean to say that, and just correct me if I'm wrong.
Mhm.
Um, when I need to check the status, I need to do that after the request.
So that's how like the words response and request basically mean as well, right? When you
Yeah.
call the API, you are sending a request,
Yeah.
and that request is going to contain stuff like body and stuff.
Mhm.
Response is empty right now when you're calling the API. Until and unless you do a response.send with something in it, response is
Mhm.
empty. So checking that response.data is 200 is just completely invalid there. Like
Right.
response is
Right. Okay.
even defined there. So I
Right.
think there's a function called response.set status, if I'm not wrong.
Okay. I'll have to Google that.
Right. Yeah, it's called res.set status. Like as simple as that.
Mm-hmm.
and then you can pass an integer, I'm pretty sure.
So if I do res dot set status is equal to 200,
Yeah,
and huh?
sorry.
What
Yeah,
did you
that's
say?
that's fine, but don't
Slowly.
do that there. After that's when you're trying it. Do it after that when you have sent it.
When you have sent it. So after this, is it?
No, so you know how you're written on line 46. That's where you're actually sending it. So just before that.
Ah, this is annoying me. Hang on.
Yeah, you might want to close your WhatsApp, please. All right.
I
Yeah.
don't I don't get this. So say we have sent the request to get the data and then we are doing this entire process, okay?
Uh-huh.
And that once it's so once it comes back, then we are assigning it as status.
It's not coming back, right? In try, you're just assigning data. You're actually sending it on line 47, if you see.
Yeah, uh-huh.
So before that, you assign a status that you got all the data um, without any issue. And you have to do response.set status in brackets 200, not equal to. It's a function.
Um
It's fine.
okay, so
Like
say
new
for
code take time. Um,
so
yep. What's up?
say for example that the if it didn't if this part didn't happen successfully, what no the status can't still be set to 200, would it?
No, because if see, okay, here it is. Are you ready? So
Yeah,
in the try, if
yeah.
the data causes any problem, it will go to catch, and it'll
It
send
won't
this.
come there,
Yeah, it'll send that res,
right?
the end one.
Yeah, yeah,
So status won't ever be 200 then if we encounter any error.
yeah, yeah. That I know, but what I meant is that okay. So only if it's successful, if this is successful, only then it will set this stays to 200 and then send us the data.
Yeah, and if you wanna perform additional checks, you can check like if data is empty, not empty, or something. But let's stick with this for now and see what's
Okay,
happening.
right.
So
Okay, cool.
just call the API from Postman and see if you get 200 in the response errors.
Cool.
Hey Alexa, yep, we are sorry about the swags. They are still on the way. Um, Me and Zen are a bit busy these days, but we are working on it for sure.
Yeah, and improving our time management as well. So it's all work in progress.
Yeah, alrighty.
Okay, this is gonna take a bit of time now to come up.
All good.
Come on, go away. Go to that side. Go, go. Yeah, it finally listened to me.
Nice.
today
Oh,
would be nice, postman.
yeah. Give me one
uh,
second. I'll look. Just one
cool.
sec.
Alright, guys, this is still loading. So, here we go. Cool. So now what I'm going to do is get all the boards and check if the status returned is 200. Alright. So I'll do this. The URL is fine. And then I'll do the get. And then press send. Actually, I want the headers as well, because I want to check if the status comes in there. Alright, get all the boards. There we
All
go.
right, I'm back.
And cool. I was just checking if the status comes 200, and it does, which is here.
Mhm.
Is this the-
Go to
this how we
headers.
check it?
No, that'll come to 100 anyways. Wait, then you haven't deployed that.
Where's my mind today? Where's my mind
I was
today?
like,
Honestly, I know I'm better than this. I know. My mind is on, I think, celebrating the weekend properly,
yeah,
and my body is going against it. There we go.
Then you can do it.
Huh?
We'll get through it.
Yeah, yeah. Oh, for sure. As in, the new thing I learned is when and how to use this set status today.
Yeah, yeah.
Right. So that one's there, and then what am I doing?
Alrighty.
Okay, that's just being deployed now.
Yep.
And let's go, let's go, let's go.
What are your plans for Sunday?
Sunday, we need to go to Costco, get
Mm-hmm.
some groceries,
Wait,
and I need.
Costco's closed, isn't it?
I didn't know that. If that's the case, then the plan is cancelled.
Um, there's a thing called lockdown happening. Just like putting it out there.
Well, isn't Costco part of essentials? Because
Um,
that's a kind of a bulk supermarket as well, right?
yeah, it's more of a big box store. Let's see.
I'll have a look.
Yeah.
Because I highly doubt that it's
Oh yeah, it might be open.
closed.
I just thought that it's like a big box store, so they might close it.
Right. No, I highly doubt it, but it's good that you told me. I'm gonna probably call them first,
Hmm.
call them first tomorrow and find out if they
Yeah,
are open. Then only I'm gonna go
yeah. The
because
one in Docklands is good. So
yeah. Have you been there before?
yeah, yeah.
Okay. Right. What did the problem come here now? That's
Entry.
right. Please tell me I haven't done another silly error.
I don't think so. It's just how we are doing it. Let's Google.
I'm gonna just do that and open this one up here. Um, come on, to set status in Express. Here we go. Set status code, for example. Right, that's it's status 400, no set status apparently.
Oh, oh, okay, right. You're right then. Um, Give me one more second. I'm getting a call. It's kind of important. One second, I'll be back.
Are you doing 2 hours tonight? Uh, hey Andre. No, we are doing 1.5 hours. On the weekends now. So this one is done, and I need to deploy this again.
Alrighty, I'm back. Hey, Andre,
Cool.
how's it going?
Andre just asked that we're doing 2 hours tonight, so I just told him that no, we are doing 1.5 hours
Yeah,
on the weekends now.
it's not because we are lazy. It's just that the last 30 minutes get really unproductive, and there's not a lot of viewers watching as well. So we don't get work done, and it gets really hectic on Sundays because we have to write a blog after the stream. So
Yeah,
thing
yeah.
goes up to like 12 or 12:15, then you have to wake up at
Hmm.
7. So
Hmm.
it only
As
makes
in,
sense.
I was
Yeah.
gonna tell Andre the reason if he asks, but is could you cover that already?
Uh, it's better to be covered rather
Sure.
than
Yeah. Otherwise, many assumptions can be made, right?
a lot.
All right, cool. Hopefully, this will do the trick now.
Yeah.
Right, so the only reason we are inserting this status to pull validations, so if the certain code is returned, we need to do that particular thing, as in pull message across.
Yeah. Um, Even if we don't set the status, like here, if this doesn't work,
Mm-hmm.
um, this will still work in the middleware. We just need to put a if condition in the middleware that
Yeah,
if
yeah.
status is 200, then only we load the page.
Right, right, I see. Yeah. Because if it is, then that would only mean that it's a it's a successful response.
Yeah. So this is called the page scheduling anomaly. No, wait. I don't remember the exact name, but we studied this in our web design class.
Mm-hmm.
When page is being kind of scheduled without the response being received. So
Ah, okay, right, right. I see. Right,
yeah,
let's have a try again. This is still coming as bad gateway. What did I do?
do you think we need a semicolon there by any chance? Just curious.
That shouldn't matter at all.
All right. Okay.
I'm pretty sure about that.
Yeah, yeah, yeah. I thought so as well.
Response and status 200. Actually, I'm gonna go in the logs and have a look.
Yeah. Wait, Zen. The
Excuse
status is
me.
S is small.
Ah, Thanks
Can
for
you check
picking that up.
in the thing which you saw? I'm pretty sure you saw it from Stack Overflow.
I checked in a kind of a blog, but I'll check in the more qualified resource. Just bear with me.
I checked it on a Express's docs.
Uh-huh.
I'll send it to you.
Oh, it's status code. No, 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 no. It's a
Small S.
small status. Yeah.
Yeah.
Okay, there we go.
Oh, I didn't know the Express docs were this defined. They're pretty good.
Yeah. Gonna just have a look at them as well.
Hmm.
Apparently, my green screen is taking a lot longer than I expected. They actually
Oh, yeah.
said that you'll get it by ETA 11th of August, and it's
Oh
14th of
boy.
August already.
Right.
I might need to call them, as in
Yeah.
not really call them, but send them an email.
At
Give me
least like
my
you should
green.
express
Huh?
some sort of dissatisfaction.
That was costing me an additional $20.
Oh boy.
So no,
Hmm. Yeah, I could imagine.
can't afford that at the moment, mate.
Yeah, that's true. I mean, like, it's not worth it then. I mean, stream is going fine.
Yeah.
Like the
Mm-hmm.
light really helped though.
Yeah, it did. Totally agree with that. All right, there we go.
Mm-hmm.
I'm just no, that shouldn't be the case because I was just thinking that anyway we can test all this deployment locally, but then we'll have to call a local um URL in the Express app in uh
I mean, you can. It won't make any difference though. But you might
so
have to
they,
set up DynamoDB and stuff then.
yeah, but they would both use one port number, which it won't work.
Mhm. Wait,
You
yeah,
remember
Dynamo.
we tried that?
No, so the problem relates to using DynamoDB and the middleware together, not with the Express app.
I think wherever you test locally, they are done on that port, isn't it? Or not?
Wait, there are three components which you have to run, which is the Express app, DynamoDB, and middleware. So the middleware and DynamoDB were clashing. That's what I remember. But yeah, you're right, I guess. But we can go ahead and change the ports as well.
Right, I see.
All right, then.
So coming back to that one, it's not really showing any
Yeah,
headers
that's fine. Now,
that one
going to
param.
that's the request headers. Then what you're looking at,
Okay.
the response headers are down.
Cool.
Like,
That's my fault. Yeah. Um, that one. This is all I've got.
yeah, good. That's all. It's fine.
Yeah.
I'll open it on the browser. And if I go to middleware and I'll just do a like a console or log for res.status and see.
Mm-hmm. Okay.
All right, I'll share my screen.
I think if we want to see the status in the header, we first have to include it, don't you think?
Sorry, I didn't get what you mean.
If we want to see the status in the header, we need to include the status in the header, for example, as we did with
Yeah,
um
right.
as we did
Um,
in the content type.
let's try this first, I guess.
Mm-hmm.
Um,
Yeah.
you did it
All
for
right.
the get function.
Huh?
You did it for the get function, right?
Get all boards. Yeah.
Let me try this. Yeah. Go. Getting all boards. So I still have to press go. Let me confirm if is that commented or something. Yeah. So I'll comment this.
Go is not a function. Wait is only where is only valid in async functions and not top level of body. Where are you doing away?
Sorry.
Hang on. Can you delete the get boards from there?
Yeah. Yeah. From home.
From index?
You mean home, right?
Yeah, yes. Sorry, my bad.
Okay. Actually, the thing was when we did this, we rolled back to a really old
Yeah,
version.
yeah.
So there might be some issues right now.
But I just don't want to see the cause issue again ever in my entire life.
You will. You will
I
see.
know I will. I know I will. Just a figure of space that
Mm.
go is not a function. Oh wait. Oh, go to the middleware.
Yeah, it is.
Async, async. Go down. Async. Wait. Yeah, that's used properly. That's no problem at all. Go down a bit. Get bored. Actually, we probably have to use async on get boards function as well. Try that. Async and then await in the statement.
Yeah, but I don't think that that's the error because it's not just finding go. That's literally it. Um. Oh, wait. Why is it not finding go? I don't get it.
Check if the middleware.js is even imported.
Wait, did we roll back to the first? Oh boy.
Go up
No result.
in home.html.
All right.
Actually, no. Yes, in home.html. Yeah, is there? Um, middleware.
And this is throwing an error as well. I'll comment this for now.
Yeah, comment that one as well.
Wait, what's this?
Space go.
It wasn't there. Let me see.
I think it was.
Oh,
Yeah,
let's
it's there.
remove this. Should I remove this?
No. Because that's the text.
But that's throwing an error. This is throwing an error.
You can try it, but that shouldn't. Hang on a minute. One. This is what this kind of looks weird to me. So that's the input tag, which is the name, and then A is for go, ID on click, and then
I'll copy and paste
yeah, that's fine. Oh
the current version.
no. Okay, yeah, try that. With
Really gotta fix the GitHub stuff. Oh, right.
yeah, that the GitHub stuff has to be fixed. I'm gonna probably work on that tomorrow.
You gonna do it on stream or are you gonna do it?
I think how about if we dedicate half of the last half an hour to
Mm-hmm.
GitHub. How about
Yeah,
that or not?
yeah, sure. I have a feeling we might have to dedicate time from right now because um this is not the one as
Right.
well.
I just do that then because I want to get this GitHub thing sorted because it's blocking us up
Just
now.
just give me 1 minute.
Yeah.
Let me get this straight. Um, so there was a committee yesterday. Right. I see. This score is probably the latest one. Um, okay. Yeah, let me just try and copying this. I'll not commit anything from my
Mm-hmm.
local stuff, so we don't need to worry about that. Oh boy. Mm, okay, GitHub is this.
I think you probably want to click. Actually, I know it's a pain in the ass, but I'm pretty sure that's not where the arrow is because that does look fine to me.
Yeah. That's true. Let me comment this first. The await stuff because we haven't done it yet.
Mm-hmm.
Mm, starting this over again. All right.
Okay, so that response is not defined, so that works. We need to go to the response. I think that's not working because you're not in that braces.
Oh, right. Okay. Yeah. Oh, sorry about that. You mean these ones?
Yeah, it probably has to come in these braces. Nope.
These braces, right?
Y- Uh, the top one.
You mean Oh, wait. Parenthesis?
Yeah, parenthesis.
Oh, right.
Brackets.
So, I don't think I can write it like this.
No, you can't because that's actually an arrow function. You would have to write it after the response.text.
Okay.
In the brackets.
Do I write comma or what do you write?
Probably do semicolon and then response.status and
FLO.
try that does no, that won't work. Probably do comma.
Can I console.log? I think I can console.log that.
Cool. Try that.
Actually,
I don't think you can. How to do? Hang on a minute. I'll find out. Console. Check
that should do the job.
check
Let's see.
status in fetch API.
So I got that right.
Response.json. Supplying the request. No, I don't need this. I need the status. Response.status. Yeah, that is the one I need. But how do I use this? Oh, you would have to do in so response.status. So if you where are you? Okay.
Yeah,
Um. Right, you're doing that. Hang on a minute.
yeah. Take your time.
Just have to check in the arrow function. How does it do it? Response to. Okay. Probably do.
Yep.
Get rid of the response text,
Yeah, yeah. I'm just getting back
and
to where we.
instead of that,
Yeah.
so instead of response.text to response.status, because at
That's
the
exactly
moment
what I was
we're just
doing.
aiming for status at the moment. That's all.
Yeah,
Right?
that's exactly what I thought as well.
Try that.
How is
Response
the response or status
to
written?
It
I
is
think that's
written in that way. Um, let me. Oh, just bear with me. It's
yeah. Take your time.
written as response dot status. That's all. In then function response. Uh, yeah, that's exactly how we wrote it.
I think it's just response dot status,
Yeah.
not as a function.
Oh, did you do it as a function?
Yeah, yeah, because text or as a
Ah,
function.
okay, cool. No, it's just simply response dot status
All right, there we go.
on 200. Okay, cool. So now I think what we should do is do an if statement, as in if the response status is 200, then we get the response dot text. What do you
Right.
think?
How do we do that? And
So do an if statement, say instead of console.log, say if actually you could do a shorthand. So
yeah,
remove
yeah,
if as well.
yeah.
If,
Question mark.
yeah, yeah, question mark, and then response dot text. Oh no, sorry. R- Response status if it's 200, then do yeah.
Right. Let's going back to basics.
Oh, do as
Huh?
do and go back. Type in response.
Is that what you want?
So is the field status an integer itself as well?
I really don't know, but seems like it.
I would want you to confirm that, because if you're putting the triple equals sign, then that means that if the status property is integer only, then it would work. Otherwise, it won't work. But let's just keep it to as
No.
in is.
All right.
So
Is
if it's no, no, no,
oh wait.
single equal.
Okay.
Yeah, if it's 200 question mark, then do
Just
yeah, yeah,
console it.
yeah, and then colon, and then
Yep.
it doesn't work. Hmm. Cool.
Alrighty.
Hopefully it works.
If it works, we'll see printed it worked.
Brilliant.
So it worked.
There you go. All right, cool. So bringing the get board back, as in response dot text as a function.
Yeah. How do it? Oh,
So where you have console.log, it worked, or do it on that?
oh, right.
And if it didn't work, what do we want to? Yeah, that's all basically.
Hmm.
check if this works, because I haven't really I haven't really tried the tertiary operator
Oh, you wanna check it like
with
this?
one yeah, with one statement.
I think I can just
Get
give it a
rid of the colon.
semicolon. I think I can. Oh, I cannot.
Um, get rid of the colon. Yeah, try in
No.
this way.
Colon expected.
Ah, right.
You have to give it two statements.
Yeah, okay. What we can
Uh,
do.
it's fine. I'll just controller log something for now. Let's not go into this.
Okay.
The purpose is that if it didn't work, like, then it shouldn't display the get boards. So, which is fine. Right.
No, no,
And
no. That's not supposed. So if this is for testing, is fine.
yeah, right now we are just like kind of playing around. So,
Okay.
um, all right, we got the board. Right. So now, how do you want to do it?
I'm thinking that if it doesn't work, then we simply return this status 400, or display where the message is. Two things: either display the
Right.
code or display the message.
Yeah. If
I
we are
think
changing this, then the front end people should know this as well that um we'll return this and this is gonna happen.
correct.
Alrighty. Do you want me to use a return?
You can't use a return in there.
Yeah, because it's a terminating statement. But I can assign a variable here and um
Um, do just a string, as in JSON formatted string.
what do you mean? Sorry, I didn't get that.
JSON stringify.
Here?
Yeah, JSON dot stringify, and then just write as a string that um couldn't get the board. Actually, then we need to. So I just want to confirm that if for any reason that it doesn't work, then what states will it throw? Would it be 502, 400, or what?
Um so the statuses here are kind of like for internal use only, right? Um
Yeah,
we can also throw through 100 and say it didn't work, but um I guess we can use like our internal check or like a checker function. Like, I mean, like create a variable for checking, but it depends on what you have to do if it doesn't work. See, get boards would be called when you click go and you
mm-hmm.
have to get all the boards from the current database. And if by any like anything you're not able to get the board, then you want to display like a proper like big message that you're unable to get boards or something.
Okay, for now, just to um unable to get boards,
Yeah, just console.log unable to get boards.
yeah, that's all for now, to be honest, because I don't want to I don't want to spend too much time thinking on this.
Yeah, so I think if I need to like kind of make it clear to the front devs,
Yeah,
wherever it's not working, I'll do like I'll console.log and I'll write the message what's exactly happening because I don't want to
try.
get confused.
Yeah, true, true,
So
true.
right, that's pretty much it. I'll run it again. But I also wanna go and do GitHub now because if
Okay.
that's not
Yeah.
fixed,
Mm-hmm.
it'll be just like a real pain to
True.
because all around like it's
Yeah.
literally a mess right
Yeah.
now.
Mm-hmm. All right. Let's do the. Let's do that now.
All right, do you wanna share your screen?
Yeah. Where was my screen? Okay, here we go. Here's my screen. Cool. So where do we start from the GitHub? Hang on a minute. I already have it opened here.
Yeah.
Why am I opening it again? All right. So let's go back.
All right. So what I kind of feel with the whole GitHub situation is,
Uh huh.
okay, here it is. Are you
Uh
ready?
huh. Yeah.
So you know how the branch I was working on called post board by name.
Uh huh.
If you do a git branch here, you'll see. Not in this one, in enhancements. Can you make a terminal just a bit bigger, please?
There we go.
That's the way to go.
Okay.
Yes.
Git branch. Okay.
Yeah. So, can you press enter? Is that the end? Oh, that is the end.
And
Right.
yeah.
Yeah. So there was which branch was it? So this particular branch, and let me actually tell you which branch was it. Right. So it was middleware implementation get board by name. This branch has the latest code for the middleware.js file, the stuff which we have been working on.
Hang on. So you're talking about the branch which is middleware implementation only.
Post board by name. So like this is what's happening. I'll tell you where is the correct code.
Okay.
So
Cool.
the correct code, you wanna write it down or somewhere?
I am just finding a pen because it. Hang on. I'll
Yeah,
I'll do
take your
one
time.
thing. I will open a Word
Yeah,
and write everything on the screen, so it's easier for us all to follow.
yeah.
Okay. Mhm.
So this is where all the correct code is. Um, the correct code for middleware.js is in middleware implementation, um, post board by name branch.
When you say post board by name, you mean post board?
You haven't pulled it. I don't think you have pulled
Ah,
the image on that.
right. Hang on, I'm
Actually,
gonna
also
do
it's
that
good.
as well.
Don't pull
Okay.
it.
All right. So you're saying post board by name.
Yeah, there was a branch which we made afterward,
Correct code for
and
the middleware in branch. Okay.
yeah, it's called post. Oh, sorry, wait. That's my bad. It's called middleware implementation get board by name. I'm so sorry.
Yeah. It's interesting. I don't even have that branch.
Yeah, yeah, it's called get board
Get
by name.
board by name in this way.
Yeah, you'll see what branch it is. Like there's only
Okay.
one
Cool.
branch, not
Okay.
necessarily like this, but
Okay.
right.
Cool.
Um, and the correct code for what Jason wrote is in the commit made on. I'll tell you the date. Right. Just give me 1 second. If I go to main, right, and let's see. Commits. Right. So the commit made on 29th of July has the correct and current code for script.js.
Hang on a minute. I'm just gonna do this a bit in an organized manner.
Yeah, easy.
Branch and date. Date is, what was the date?
29th of July.
Okay.
Yes, so these are the only two places where, yeah, you can say it's a conflict. Um, because yeah, again, it's overridden by the commit you made. So
Yeah.
either we can roll back to the last version, which was a commit I made on 4th of August. That there are two possible solutions.
Okay.
So either we can roll back to the version on 4th of August and merge in what 29th July was, or um, or we can merge in the post board by, the post board by name, which has the correct middleware right now. You know
So
what?
this is second branch, is it?
Yeah. So the
Okay.
branch which has the most updated version of our middleware, we
Uh-huh.
can, so by merge I mean merge into dev. We're not merging anything to main. So
Yeah. Yeah.
we can merge
Exactly.
this to main first, and then we
This
can,
one.
yes, sorry,
Okay.
dev, I mean, we can merge this to dev,
Uh-huh.
and then we can compare. You know how GitHub has a compare branches option as well? We can use
Yeah.
that.
Yeah.
Then we
Okay.
can compare dev and main on when Jason committed his code.
Right. Okay. Yeah.
This is
So
like
the
the second. It's
yeah, yeah.
complicated.
No. You put that in a very simple manner. So what's
Okay.
gonna happen is you're thinking that we get the all the correct code into dev first,
Yeah.
and then compare that dev to the master in the point where
Yeah.
Jason's code is. All right.
That's
Yeah,
exactly right.
that makes sense. Cool. Yeah, let's do that. Um,
All
so
right. Now you might want to pull because we actually have to do it.
cool. Let's do that one. Cool. So I would do a git pull of this branch, is it?
Yes.
Or the dev branch?
If you just do git pull, it'll do a pull of the whole project.
Okay, interesting.
Yeah.
New
So,
branch. Already up to the. Okay, so if I do git branch,
yeah. So now you got the new branch. Oh, you didn't? Oh, what?
that's interesting.
It did
Uh,
mention that it inserted the new branch. Did it?
it did mention it. They're unpacking that one on go already up to date.
Can you do a grid checkout to that branch?
Git checkout. Origin
It
middleware.
starts from, yeah, this one. Oh, yeah.
Okay, cool.
Yeah. Can you see the code? Can you just go ahead and see the code? What's happening? Alrighty. It
Okay,
won't have the
airport.
delete function though.
Huh?
It won't have the delete function though, but it's fine.
That's fine. We can
Yeah,
always do that again.
yeah.
Um, so this is commented. We need this one now, isn't it?
Yeah, it's fine. Don't make any changes. I guess that's the latest code. That's all what we want to know, right? Um,
Yeah, yeah. Okay,
yes.
cool.
Yeah. So yeah, this is the latest code.
Hmm.
Right. Okay, now you made a change. Now you have to commit it. Then only we can push. Merge now.
Don't worry about it. I'm gonna revert all the changes. I don't wanna make it even more complicated than it is at the
I
moment.
mean, it won't make
Yeah,
any worse if you want to make changes, but it's just that we have to commit it again.
yeah,
So
yeah.
it's
That's
fine.
fine. No,
Right.
yeah.
Okay. Now, can you open dev and see what's happening in dev branch once?
Check out.
Wow, my head is hurting to think how to do this.
It's not easy to be
Yeah.
honest.
Yeah.
It's
Git
not
is like
easy.
an actual skill.
Yeah, yeah. This is actually a real life software problem
Yeah.
that actually I've created for us.
Alrighty. So we don't have middleware here, which is good. That means we won't have any overridden
How
changes
how do you know we don't have any middleware here
because
in
the
this
client
branch?
folder doesn't have any middleware.js file.
Oh, okay, cool. Right, right, cool.
Can you go into script.js?
Script.js. That's
Alright.
socket
Yeah.
socket on.
Can you go into home.html? I just want to see what's happening with the go function
Yeah,
and the code.
right. Return go.
Okay, yeah, we this is all old code. This is
Mm-hmm.
like base
Yeah,
code.
yeah.
So yeah, that's good. I guess we can merge the middleware implementation get board by name branch into dev.
Into dev. Okay, cool.
So dev
So
is the
do a
receiving branch.
merge,
Yeah.
then get board by middle name. I don't
Um,
think this
then
would work.
you have to commit the changes from that as well.
Wasn't it was already
Oh, actually, yeah,
committed?
you're right. It was already committed. Sorry, I'm so sorry. It's already
Give
up
me
to
one
date.
minute. Okay, yeah, that's fine. Well, I'm going. Alright, cool. So do a git merge, and then middleware implementation. How about in the future we should keep the branches name as small as possible.
Yes. I'm not
Implementation.
sure who started the implementation word thingy, but
I think it's me. It must be me because I do these kind of complicated fancy branches names. I do this.
like
Um,
implementation is a really big word for that.
yeah, yeah, it is. It is a big word.
Another
Can you
underscore.
tell me the board name?
Yeah,
As
I'm
in
telling.
get by.
Right. Can you copy it? Actually,
Actually, I'm gonna minute. I'm gonna do git branches
yeah,
and
that'll be easier.
copy it now.
We could have
Git
actually made
merge.
like another video on resolving this though.
True though. True.
Mhm. So it's a bit late now.
It's
All right, let's do it.
recording already though, so that's
Yeah.
alright. Automatic merge field, fix
Cool.
conflict, and then commit the results. Okay.
Yeah. So you're
So
in dev
these are
branch and you got the middleware.
yeah, got the middle way, but it failed to resolve the uncommitted, as in the few of the commits. So we need to make sure everything is on
Mhm.
point now.
Yeah. Can you just
Um,
hit home? Yeah. Home. Yeah.
home is that one, which is
Yeah, that's good.
yeah, that we don't need that. We need, okay, yeah, that's fine.
Yeah.
That's resolving to that. That's so I can just stay. Okay, cool. That's already there. Okay,
Yeah, that's
that's
home
all.
again.
Index. Wow. Wow.
Literally, no, like how the dev branch was literally like base code. We didn't
Yeah,
commit to
true.
it at all.
True. I can tell. Definitely
Can you
not.
open middleware? That'll be a
Okay,
new
that
file.
sounds fine. Let's just keep this in that way.
Mm-hmm.
And wow. Wow.
It's a new file completely.
Yeah. Right. Okay. Cool. This is it. So I will test bash.
I don't know what that is.
That must be me, which I don't really want. So I'll just get rid of that.
All right. It looks like something to do with local testing.
Yeah, it is. Okay. Discard
Just discard it.
changes.
Don't delete it. Probably.
It's asking me to delete it because it is a brand new file.
Okay. Yeah. Let's then delete. It's already in the other branch, so it's fine.
You need to resolve your current index first.
Mm-hmm.
Test bash. That's fine. Remote verbose. Cool. Right. So this is there. Launch. That's fine. Is it? I don't even know if this should be there. It probably shouldn't. So I'm just
Um.
gonna
I don't know
launch.
if anyone else.
That's to do with debugging. That's that's to do with debugging probably.
That could be probably the front end devs would have added it for debugging it.
Yeah, which was yeah,
But it's
yeah.
fine. Let's discard it if it's not.
Run state changes. Okay, middleware. Yeah, that
That's
one we need definitely. Package.log, we need that one too.
we need that one. Yeah.
Okay, cool. So
Yeah.
these are all of that.
Right.
And now I'm gonna just go and commit it. Git add state
Can you get
change.
status? Wait. Can you get status first? Right.
Deleted
Yep.
by
Get.
us. Delete. Okay, that's deleted by them. On track changes to include what will be
Yep.
committed. Okay,
You want
cool.
to get add?
I don't really want to add these,
Oh
so I'm
yeah. Yeah,
gonna
don't
just
add.
delete actually
Just don't
because
add.
these.
It'll be fine.
Yeah, I'm gonna just do a commit
Mhm. And just write a
fixing.
simple message merging. Oh, the branch name is too long.
I learned my lesson. To be honest, I'm not gonna do this ever again in my life.
Yeah. Oh boy.
Session get
Or you can write
board.
fix in GitHub, but it's fine. Yeah, just do this for now. Um, Between
Okay,
board and by
move.
name, there is a underscore.
Okay, here we go. Okay, cool.
Hmm.
Happy. Boom.
Yes.
Committing is not possible because you have unmerged files. I'm gonna
No.
delete these ones. Oh, unmerged. Fix them and then use git head or
Oh,
merge
it's because of the SAM file. You can just delete the SAM file.
these ones.
I'm not sure if they're these ones, but if you look at them closely, it's backend.aws SAM folder.
Oh, right. No, this cool. So this folder shouldn't be there anymore.
Hmm.
What I'm gonna do is actually delete that folder completely.
Yeah,
Shouldn't be there at all.
yeah, that's true.
Move RF.
And I'm getting water.
Cool. Backend. Cool. That's fine. Right. Git. It's because of an anonymous curious. Okay, add all. So I'm gonna unstage the files that I don't need anymore, and then uh delete them as well. Alright, settings, cool. Now what I'm gonna do is delete them. Uh, settings, cloud formation, and SAM schema. VS Code, delete. Um, settings, delete. Yeah, that should be fine.
Alrighty.
Clients, cool. So I've just deleted all the ones that we don't need because they were causing a problem.
Mm-hmm.
Okay, that these all are staged. Cool.
Yes.
Don't need delete that file and delete
Mm-hmm.
this file as well. We don't need that.
Alright.
Hey.
Yep. Yeah, I'm here.
Okay, I thought you said why.
No, no, I said like, yeah, that's right.
Cool. Right, and we don't need JSON. Yeah, because I've just deleted that. So now I'll do a get all.
Can you do a status? Oh, that should work.
There we go. Modified and added. Cool.
Alright.
Uh, commit. No, 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 no. I need to do a commit now, right?
It's
Isn't it?
already. Oh, yeah, yeah. You have to comment. Just
Uh,
like fixing GitHub error.
fixing. Hey,
Yeah, fixing. Um.
dev to be the latest branch. All right.
Yeah, yeah. Grammatically, it doesn't make sense, but who cares about that? It's fine. Let's just
Fixing
comment it.
dev. Ah, okay. Yeah. Okay. Hang on a minute. I
No,
will
no, 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 no,
fix
no.
dev
That's not happening. No.
the branch to be the latest branch. Okay.
Already.
Cool. And I don't want to. Okay. Cool. So now what we need to do is check if this is working first. Is it on that branch?
Okay. Yeah, let's try that.
Hmm. Okay,
We're
that
already
branch.
in code. Um.
My brain is
Oh my God.
on holiday already.
I guess it's on
Can't believe I
summer
did
vacation at this point.
that. True. It's in the Bahamas.
That's the funniest thing I've seen. You're doing code inside VS Code.
That's hilarious to be honest. What am I gonna do with my dev career? I think I need a change in career now.
That's the pinnacle of your career. Gonna go downhill after this.
Exactly. All right. So we're gonna run this.
Yep. All right.
Just do the Python simple HTTP server. Cool. Do that. Go to the Browser.
Just curious, does it have the newest link?
Off
Are you in the
API.
client folder? Yeah.
No, I'm not in the client folder.
Oh boy.
Brain, come back. I need you.
I think you have to make it come back. It doesn't come back.
Sure. Come on. What's happening to my spelling? I hate it when I misspell something.
Can you open middleware? No, wait.
Middleware.
Yeah. And check if we have the latest link on it. Starts from 54, the link.
Yeah.
Okay.
Cool.
There we go.
Brilliant. Okay. Go to that one. What? Seriously? Okay, cool. Here we go.
Alright. Yep.
So I'll do.
Only post is enabled right now. So yeah.
Okay.
Console. Open the console.
Oh, so is it not going to that?
I'm just kind of seeing if we didn't get in here. Yeah, we didn't. Oh wait, did we?
No, we
Yep.
didn't.
Yeah, it
Should
won't
work.
go. It won't go. But if you open the can you open the endpoint on Chrome?
It's already on Chrome. Ah, okay.
Oh,
The
it's at
API
54 here.
endpoint.
It's at 54 on Chrome. Your Chrome will probably detect it. All right, that works as well.
No,
Oh, it didn't. Mine does.
no, it didn't.
Oh, that's
Probably
my bad.
because I haven't used that
Yeah.
for Chrome.
What was your
Um,
call?
which call?
What did you call your board?
AS something something something.
No,
Oh,
I think you called it
no, it
Z1.
was Z1.
Okay, there we go. It's there.
Here we go. Perfect. So
Cool.
that's working. Right.
Yeah.
So now we need to focus on merging dev to master.
No, first we need to go ahead and compare the
Yeah,
branches.
yeah, that's what I meant.
Yeah. And I
Uh,
guess we're running out of time as well. So
yeah.
if we
Um,
want to do that tomorrow, we can.
we should do it tomorrow because I need my brain to be functional.
You should get some sleep first.
At the
Get
moment,
your-
it's you who's doing the brain work, and I'm just doing the physical work. As
It's
in,
still
what you're
teamwork.
asking me, I'm doing that.
But I guess the comparison of the branches will take a lot more brain work.
Yeah.
Um,
Hmm. Yeah,
so
that's true though.
yeah, that's all right. We can always come back to it tomorrow.
Yeah.
But yeah, thanks for joining in, guys. I guess we got a lot of work today.
Hmm.
We did stuff in the middleware. We got the validator thing figured out so that we can just go ahead and quickly do it.
Yeah.
And we got the GitHub error fixed by at least half. So we'll get it done by tomorrow and won't happen again for sure.
Yeah. Cool.
And then we'll get some sleep.
I think I need a bit of extra sleep. Yeah, but thanks a lot, guys, for turning up. I really appreciate it, and it's been a productive session, and we'll see you back here tomorrow, same time, same place, and to be continued task.
Yeah. All right.
All right. Thanks, guys. Have a good
See ya.
night. Cheers. Bye.